Hi there. The other day we left you a video message in regards to producing some videos for you online for lead generation. Now today what I want to do is just really go through and show you some of the slides that you'd be getting and how the video would allow people to view you online, be found online, and obviously have a place to go and contact you back at. So what we would do is we would input your email address, we would put in your phone number or the number for them to text at, or we can do all of that for you and provide an exclusive text message just for you that somebody can either text or call to, and we can also have an exclusive email address for you, and then we can handle all of that for you. So either way, let us help and we'll get you started. Now you've seen how we can produce video after video for you, driving people back to either your website, back to your business, and allowing them to either text you for more information, call you for more information, or email you for more information. That way what we can do is bring in more leads, more clients, more patients, more business, and ultimately bring in more money for your business. We look forward to working with you soon, and by all means give us a call back, send us a text, or send us an email. Talk to you soon.